Fast Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Fast Credit Repair Review, where I'll provide a clear and concise look at its features, who it's designed for, and how it can help you achieve better financial health. For your convenience, I've added links to the service in the description if you'd like to explore it further. Fast Credit Repair is designed for individuals who need quick and professional assistance to improve their credit scores and clean up their credit reports. Whether you're dealing with inaccurate items, late payments, collections, or other negative marks, this service is tailored to deliver results in a shorter time frame than traditional credit repair methods. The core offering of Fast Credit Repair is its comprehensive credit analysis. Upon signing up, their team examines your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They identify inaccuracies, outdated items, or other questionable marks and strategize to address them effectively. One of their standout features is accelerated dispute resolution. Fast Credit Repair uses proven techniques to challenge inaccurate or unfair items directly with credit bureaus and creditors. Their team leverages their expertise to expedite the process, aiming to deliver tangible results quickly. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone who needs to qualify for a loan, secure a lower interest rate, or meet other financial goals within a tight timeline. Fast Credit Repair also provides personalized guidance to help clients establish better financial habits and build positive credit history. This dual approach ensures that you not only see immediate improvements, but also maintain long-term credit health. Another advantage is their transparent pricing and flexible plans, ensuring that you get the service that fits your budget without hidden fees. Additionally, they provide regular updates and easy-to-access progress reports, keeping you informed every step of the way. Fast Credit Repair is perfect for anyone seeking a fast, reliable, and professional solution to credit repair. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, check out the links in the description to learn more or get started today.